Welcome to TLH Patterns. This is Pradeepa. In today's video, we are going to see how to crochet a flower with two leaves as a single piece. The flower and both the leaves are worked as a single piece and therefore you don't have to sew them together at the end. Let's start with the leaves. First, make a slip knot with any yarn of your choice and a suitable hook, and then make 12 chains. Okay, now single crochet in the second chain from your hook. Then make a half double crochet in the next chain. Then work double crochets in next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then make a half double crochet in the next chain. A slip stitch in the next chain. That's the first leaf. Now let's make the second one with chain 8. Then single crochet in the second chain from the hook, half double crochet in the next chain, double crochet in next 3 chains, half double crochet in the next chain, slip stitch in the next chain. This is the second leaf, and now slip stitch in the 2 chains that are left unworked at the beginning. The leaves are done. You can cut the yarn off and weave in the loose ends. Now pick up the yarn that you are using to make the flower and holding the leaves upside down, insert hook at the stem part below both the leaves and pull the yarn through, and now make 5 chains. Now you make a circle and bring the yarn to the beginning of the 5 chains, and you can insert the hook into the same space where you pull the yarn through and then make a slip stitch. Now you have a ring, and we'll start working into the ring. First make a slip stitch into the ring. Make 3 chains and work a single crochet into the ring. Repeat it 4 more times. You should have 5 chain 3 spaces. Into each of these chain 3 spaces, you're going to work a single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochets, half double crochet, and a single crochet, forming the petals. Once again, single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochets, half double crochet, and a single crochet. Repeat it 3 more times. You can use these flowers to decorate your baby's clothes or hats. It's an easy and hassle-free pattern. The flowers done. Now you can slip stitch to the beginning of the round and cut the yarn off. You can weave in the loose ends. Now your flower with 2 leaves is ready. You can decorate it with a bead or a button at the center. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.